we are starting the last lesson. First of all, I would like to introduce with this chapter Alphonse Daudet, 1840 to 1897 was a French novelist and short story writer. The last lesson is set in the days of Franco-Prussian War. This chapter has been written in the days when Franco-Prussian War was going on from 1870 to 1871, in which France was defeated by Prussia led by Bismarck under the leadership of Bismarck. Prussia then consisted of what now are the nations of Germany, Poland and parts of Austria. In those days, Prussia, as presently we know Germany, Poland and parts of Austria, these are separated countries, but in those days they were called collectively Prussia. In this story, the French districts of Alsace and Lorraine have passed into Prussian hands. Read the story to find out what effect this had on life at school. Now, we are going to read this story, especially when our country lost its cities, how the school life is affected. With the help of this chapter, very nicely the narrator presented the school life, how the school life is affected, especially when the two districts of France, Alsace and Lorraine have passed into the hands of Prussia. Now we are starting the story. The story has been narrated by Little Franz, and he said that I started for school very late that morning and was in great dread of scolding. The narrator, who is the narrator? Little Franz started for school very late that morning and was in great dread of scolding. He was in great dread of fear, especially because Anne Hamel had said that he would question us on participles. And I didn't know the first word about that. लिटिल फ्रेंड्स कहता है कि उस दिन उस सुबह मॉर्निंग में मैं स्कूल के लिए काफ़ी देरी से निकला। मैं बहुत डरा हुआ था क्योंकि हमारे टीचर एन हेमिल ने स्पेशली हमसे ये कहा था कि वो पार्टिसिपल पर हमसे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे एंड आई डिडंट नो द फर्स्ट अबाउट देम बट लिटिल फ्रेंड्स सेड दैट ही डिडंट नो द फर्स्ट वर्ड अबाउट पार्टिसिपल्स। कहते हैं मुझे पार्टिसिपल्स की ABCD तक क्लियर नहीं है। For a moment I thought of running away. For a moment little Franz thought running away and spending the day out of class. एक क्षण के लिए लिटिल फ्रेंड्स के दिमाग में ये विचार आया कि क्यों ना आज स्कूल से बंक मारा जाए और इस दिन को स्कूल से बाहर नहीं बिताया जाए। It was so warm, so bright, because the atmosphere was also appealing to him. Why? It was so warm. The atmosphere was very pleasant, the weather was very pleasant, and it was so warm, so bright. The birds were chirping at the edge of the woods, and even the birds were chirping, twittering at the edge. Edge here means corner, at the corner of the woods, jungle, and in the open field back of the sawmill. Sawmill, the Prussian soldiers were drilling, and in the open field back of the sawmill आरा मशीन, उस आरा मशीन के पीछे Prussian soldiers were doing exercises. Prussian soldiers exercise कर रहे हैं. It was all much more tempting than the rule for participants. All these scenes were appealing to him more than the rule for participants, but I had the strength, resist and hurry off to school. But little Franz said that he suppressed all his temptations and hurried for his school. मैंने अपने सारे प्रलोभनों को दबाते हुए दरकिनार करते हुए और तेजी से स्कूल के लिए चल पड़ा। When I passed the town hall, there was a crowd in front of the bulletin board. Bulletin board here means notice board. When the narrator passed the town hall, there was a crowd in front of the bulletin board. जब नरेटर टाउन हॉल के सामने से गुजरता है तो वहां बुलेटिन बोर्ड नोटिस बोर्ड के सामने लोगों की भीड़ लगी, फ्रेंच की। For the last 2 years, all our bad news had come from there. Little Friends says that for the last 2 years, all their bad news had come from there. कि पिछले 2 वर्षों से हमारी सारी बुरी खबरें हमें उसी बुलेटिन बोर्ड के थ्रू मिल रही थी। Like the lost battles, the draft commanding officer's orders, the orders of the commanding officer, and I thought myself without stopping. Seeing the crowd assembled in front of the bulletin board, narrator Little Friends is surprised and thought himself without stopping himself, what can be the reason why all these people are collected in front of the bulletin board? What can be the matter now? He asked himself this questions, what can be the reason why these people are collected in front of the bulletin board? Then as I hurried by, as fast as I could go, then he moved from there, passed from there as fast as he could go. कहता है मैं इतनी तेजी से वहां से चलने लगा जितनी तेजी से मैं चल सकता था। The blacksmith watcher who was there. Blacksmith, the name of that blacksmith watcher who was also presented there. Watcher was also presented in front of the bulletin board with his apprentice, with his helper. Reading the bulletin. What the watcher was doing? The watcher was also read that notice. Called after me. He called the narrator. Don't go so fast. Bub. Bub here means child, boy. Even mockingly, he also called after him, don't go so fast, Bub. Watcher ने कहा बच्चे इतनी तेजी से मत जाओ, you will get to your school in plenty of time, as he had much time to reach his school. I thought he was making fun of me. Now Little Friends felt even the watcher was also making fun of him, कि ये watcher भी मेरा मजाक बना रहा है, and reached Anne Hammond's little garden all out of breath. Out of breath, pantingly, he reached Anne Hammond's little garden, especially Anne Hammond resides in the premises of the school, and outside of his flat, of his house, he also developed a garden. And कहता है और मैं हाँफता हुआ बहुत तेजी से उनके गार्डन के सामने पहुंच गया। Usually when school began, there was a great question. One thing should be noted. Little Friends says that, the narrator says that whenever school began, there was a great person. There was a great noise. Generally, जब भी स्कूल शुरू होता था, वहां पर बहुत ज्यादा शोर शराबा होता था, which could be heard out in the street. That noise could be heard out in the street. वो शोर शराबा बाहर रोड से गली से सुना जा सकता है। Which kinds of noise can be heard? The opening and closing of desks. The noise of opening and closing of desks. Lessons repeated in unison. Unison here means simultaneously. The small children used to repeat their lessons simultaneously, very loud, with our hands over our ears to understand better. Even these children have put their hands over their ears to understand better. कि छोटे छोटे बच्चे एक साथ लेसन्स को रिपीट किया करते थे और इतनी तेजी से रिपीट, इतनी जोर से रिपीट करते थे कि हमें उनको समझने के लिए अपने कानों पर हाथ लगाने पड़ते। And the teacher's great ruler rapping on the table. There was also a noise. The teacher's great ruler rapping on the table. रूलर हेयर में से स्टिक और टीचर्स की एंड टेबल की जो स्टिक जो थी वो टेबल पर रैप होती थी, टैप होती थी, हमेशा वो टेबल पर बजाते थे। बट नाउ इट वॉज ऑल्सो स्टिल, बट ऑन दैट डे He found there pin drop silence. Everything was still, was quiet. I had counted on the commotion to get to my desk without being seen. He said that with the help of this noise he get to his desk without being seen. कहता है इस सारे शोर शराबे का फायदा उठाकर अक्सर मैं अपनी सीट पर पहुंच जाया करता था लोगों की नजरें बचाकर। But of course, but surely that day everything had to be as quiet as Sunday morning. But on that day everything was as quiet as Sunday morning. लेकिन उस दिन उसने ऐसा पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस फील किया वहां पर कि जैसे कि संडे मॉर्निंग। Why he said Sunday morning? Because on Sunday there was no class, that is why there was as quiet as Sunday morning. Which figure of speech as quiet as Sunday morning? Simply. Through the window I saw my classmates. Through the window, when he peeped into his class, what he saw, his classmates had already taken their places. कहता है जब मैंने विंडो से अंदर झांक कर देखा क्लास की तो सारे उसके क्लासमेट्स उसके साथी जो थे वो अपने अपनी सीट्स पर बैठे हुए थे। एंड एम हैमिल वॉकिंग अप एंड डाउन विद हिज टेरिबल आयरन रूलर। और एम हैमिल अपने टेरिबल उस ग्रेट आयरन रूलर को पुटिंग अंडर हिज आर्मपिट, ही वाज वॉकिंग अप एंड डाउन इन द क्लास। एम हैमिल अपने आयरन रूलर को अपनी बगल में दबाकर क्लास में चक्कर काट रहे थे। I had to open the door and go in front in before everyone. He said that he had to open the door. फ्रेंड्स कहता है कि मुझे ऐसे हालात में, ऐसे सर्कमस्टांसेस में गेट खोलकर सबके सामने से होते हुए अपनी सीट पर पहुंचना था। You can imagine how I blushed and how I frightened I was. आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं, you can imagine yourself how he blushed and frightened he was on that day. कहता है मुझे उस दिन कितनी शर्म आ रही थी और कितना डरा हुआ था कि सारी क्लास में पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस थी। एम हैमिल क्लास में घूम रहे थे और सारे स्टूडेंट जो थे वो अपनी अपनी क्लास पर क्वाइटली चुपचाप बैठे हुए थे। एंड ही वाज लेट ऑन दैट डे, दैट इज व्हाई ही वाज ब्लश्ड एंड फ्राइटेंड टू रीच हिज प्लेस। One thing here is iron ruler has been used. Terrible iron ruler. Here, who is terrible? M. Hamel or his ruler? His M. Hamel is terrible, not his ruler. Which figure of speech here has been used? Transferred epithet. Do you know transferred epithet is that figure of speech in which the qualifying adjective is transferred to another noun instead of the noun of which it relates. Like terrible. Terrible here relates to M. Hamel, but terrible has been transferred to iron. So this is transferred epithet. But nothing happened. Nothing happened as little Franz was expecting. What he was expecting? He would be scolded. He would be punished by his teacher because of getting late. M. Hamel saw me and said very kindly. When M. Hamel saw little Franz and said very kindly, very politely, go to your place quickly. Little Franz. Little M. Hamel, addressing as little Franz, M. Hamel instructed him to go to his place quickly. We were beginning without you. He also said that he was beginning without him. कि हम आज लेसन को स्टार्ट करने जा रहे थे आपके। I jumped over the bench and sat down at my desk. Hearing this, little Franz jumped over the bench and sat down at my desk. कहता है बेंच के ऊपर से जंप लगाकर अपने डेस्क के पास जाकर इसने अपना पोजीशन ले ली। Not till then when I had got a little over my fright. When after taking his place, little Franz then got or relaxed. When he felt relaxed, then he observed. Did I see that our teacher had on his beautiful green coat? After taking his place, and when he felt relaxed, then he observed his teacher and Hamel had put on his beautiful green coat, his frilled shirt, and little black silk cap. Start करूं? I see what little friends saw that their teacher put on his beautiful green coat, his frilled shirt, and the little black silk cap all embroidered. All these dresses, green coat, shirt, his frilled shirt, and little black silk, all these things were embroidered and worn by little friends. Worn by little friends that he never wore except on inspection and prize days. While little friend is surprised to see his teacher and Hamel in his beautiful dress, in his beautiful attire, because that dress and Hamel never wore except the prize distribution days or the school had to be inspected. Especially on those days, and Hamel wore that kind of dress. That is why little Franz was surprised seeing his teacher in his beautiful attire. Besides, the whole school seemed so strange. इसके अतिरिक्त उसे पूरा स्कूल इतना strange, इतना विचित्र लगा, and solemn, quiet, शांत, serious. But the thing that surprised him most was to see on the back benches that were always empty. But the thing which surprised him most, that was the back benches of his class that generally remained empty. But on that days, all those back benches had been occupied by the villagers.